This is how to remove the navigation screen from a GS430 for either repair or for conversion by us at Car Audio Workshop, www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz. I'll get on with it. I've removed everything to make everything nice and loose, so it's nice and fast for you. First of all, we start by taking the gear shift knob off, put your foot on the brake, push on the shift lock, move it in. I've already loosened this up. Take the tool, pop that little panel off there. This is already loose because I've already taken it off. You can lift this up. There are two plugs here. I've already undone them. There are two screws here. You need a Phillips to undo two screws right there. You can take these off, you pull out that way and then pull towards you. Push out that way, pull towards you. Now there are two bolts, or 10mm bolts each side. You get the 10mm and go one up there, and one down there. Same on this side, one there and one on that side. And once you do that, this unit will come out. But before you do, put something over there to protect it so you don't get any scratches. And some people try and pop up there, but you need to leave that alone because a lot of people damage that. You can get it by just getting underneath here, giving a good pull, wiggling it out. Once you've got it out like that, you can set it out on your towel or whatever else you use, and you can unplug everything and take it out here. Now if you're doing conversion, there are two Torx screws here. Get a Torx driver and undo the two little screws and take the little flap off the back which covers the hard drive, and once you get that off you can pull the little plastic tag and pull the hard drive out like this, and take this and send this to us and we can do the conversion to English for you. Any more questions, just get in touch with us or visit our website www.caraudioworkshop.co.nz. Thank you.